So it's Monday at 11:20. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Obviously it's been a day. Normally I would have been come and talk to you guys this morning, but it's been a day. Here's my desk so you can tell it's been a day. Here's my lunch. I'm getting ready to eat now, even though I did bring today a salad and my soup. And then this morning they gave out donuts. So I'm going to eat in a minute. And so this morning we were called down to the front just to tell us, yay, our school will be here for at least another 2 years. The district signed off on it. And then we had parents in this morning doing our award ceremony. So that really threw us all for a loop. Well, not really threw us for a loop because we knew it was today, but, you know. Sorry, coworker came in really quickly. I'm tired. Here's my outfit. It's a new dress from Amazon. And I just really wanted to wear the dress. And my husband's like, babe, are you sure that matches? I don't know. This has red in it, doesn't it? It has red in my dress. So I put the red shirt on with it. I think it matches. I don't know. But here I am today. See you tomorrow. Oh, today we're going to the dogs and take our gift basket. So I'm going to try and take some footage there. Otherwise, see you later. Good morning. It is Tuesday, April 10th at about 7:35. It's an exciting day for me as a mother. Today my babies take their first FSA. So I got them super hyped. We had some breakfast and they're ready. They are so ready. So I don't know what's going on with my hair right here today. It was fine when I left the house this morning. Anyways, it's not a big concern. It's just hair, right? So today, 4th grade stays in our class the whole day. Yay, I get to be with my homeroom all day. So that's great. We get to catch up on some things, such as phases of the moon, and we're doing a moon study right now, and different vocab, and I may be able to even sneak in a few other lessons. So we'll see, since I have them all day. I don't feel well. Just my neck area. It's hard to swallow. But we're going to get through it, and it's going to be a great day. Yesterday, we went with the Girl Scouts and delivered our gift bags. Check out these pictures. So, yeah, that was super fun. Did that. And now the rest of my week is pretty slow, thank goodness. Today and tomorrow, as I said, Marvin and Mia take their FSA reading. And for me, it's just business as usual. We're learning about women's suffrage this week, and then we're going to do a play on Friday. So, here's my outfit. And then, of course, you'll see a picture of it. So, I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning. It is Thursday, April 12th. And I didn't come to school yesterday because my Mia had a fever of 101. So I stayed home and took care of my baby. Today, took a temperature this morning and it's at 98.7. So she's in school today. Yesterday was part 2 of her FSA, so she didn't get a chance to take that yesterday. She'll do that today. Marvin did go to school yesterday, so he did get the chance to finish his FSA. Yay! He had a slightly mischievous day yesterday, so he was on punishment when he got home yesterday. When I got here today, the note from my sub gave me life. It was so funny. There was some trouble here yesterday with a few of my students, so she was telling me about that, and it was just hilarious the way she wrote it out. I love her. I love her. She was a teacher for a very long time, and then decided she wanted out, and is now subbing. So she's a great, great teacher, great sub. So I was glad to have her in my class yesterday. So here's my desk this morning. When I say pack your papers, look at this. This is all for today. 4th grade is putting on a play, so it's their script is in there. But I will see you later. Good morning. It is Friday the 13th. And Mia says, Mom, I thought that was only in October. Let's hope that it's not a full moon with it today, right? It's Friday the 13th, and I have on my green shirt again, my lime green shirt. We were told to keep the school spirit going today and wear our green shirts again that say, what does it say? All about the race. I had it on last week as well, and I never got a chance to show you the back of it last week, so I'll be sure to show you the back of it today because it's so cute. Anyways, today is Friday, assessment day, plenty of assessments today. And for my class, we are actually doing a play, the women's suffrage play. So it's pretty long, and we rehearsed it yesterday, and it took us an hour to rehearse it and change around a few lines and a few parts and things like that. But I'm going to record it today because my vice principal wanted to see it, but she's not here. So she said, please record it. So I've got to find some storage space where I can record it. I might try and borrow the school camera. We'll see. But it's Friday, and I am ready for the weekend. It's supposed to be 80 in the 80s this weekend here in Florida, and we're planning on going to the beach tomorrow because we love Florida, and it's beach season now. So, here's my outfit. Just my shirt and some jeans, and my elbow sleeve jacket and sneakers. Very, very comfortable today. Gosh, it feels like I had some more to tell you. Something happened this week. I don't know. But if I remember, I'll come back to you. If not, have a great weekend. Bye.